Class 10. Subject Science, Physics. Chapter 10. The Human Eye and the Colorful World. Topics to be learned in this video. The human eye. The human eye uses light and enables us to see objects around us. It has a lens in its structure. What is the function of the lens in a human eye? How do the lenses used in spectacles correct defects of vision? Let us consider these questions in this chapter. In this chapter, we shall study some optical phenomenon in nature. We shall also discuss about rainbow formation, splitting light and blue color of the sky. The human eye. The human eye is one of the most valuable and sensitive sense organs. It enables us to see the wonderful world and the colors around us. On closing the eyes, we can identify objects to some extent by their smell, taste, sound they make or by touch. The human eye is like a camera. Its lens system forms an image on a light-sensitive screen called the retina. Light enters the eye through a thin membrane called the cornea. It forms the transparent bulge on the front surface of the eyeball as shown in figure. The eyeball is approximately spherical in shape with a diameter of about 2.3 centimeters. Most of the refraction for the light rays entering the eye occurs at the outer surface of the cornea. The crystalline lens merely provides the finer adjustment of focal length required to focus objects at different distances on the retina. We find a structure called iris behind the cornea. Iris is a dark muscular diaphragm that controls the size of the pupil. The pupil regulates and controls the amount of light entering the eye. The retina is a delicate membrane having enormous number of light-sensitive cells. The light-sensitive cells get activated upon illumination and generate electrical signals. These signals are sent to the brain via the optic nerves. The brain interprets these signals and finally processes the information so that we perceive objects as they are. Power of accommodation. It is the ability of the eye lens to adjust its focal length by changing its curvature. When ciliary muscles relax, lens becomes thin and its focal length increases. It enables distant vision. When ciliary muscles contract, curvature of the lens increases, lens becomes thicker. So its focal length decreases. This enables nearby vision. However, focal length of the lens cannot be decreased below a minimum limit. That's why we cannot clearly read or see an image held close to eyes. Least distance of distinct vision, near point of the eye. It is the minimum distance at which objects can be seen most distinctly without strain. It is 25 cm. Far point of the eye. It is the farthest point up to which eye can see objects clearly. It is infinity. A normal eye can clearly see objects between 25 cm and infinity. The lens of some people at old age becomes milky and cloudy, causing partial or complete loss of vision. This is called cataract. It can be rectified by cataract surgery. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.